Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Shuratuli speaking. AI in gaming is evolving faster than ever, but is it enhancing the experience or ruining it? From intelligent NPCs to AI generated worlds, artificial intelligence is reshaping how we play. Games like Red Dead Redemption 2 and The Last of Us use advanced AI to create lifelike characters that react dynamically. Enemies learn your strategies, making battles more unpredictable, and procedural AI can generate infinite worlds like in No Man's Sky. But here's the flip side, is AI making games too predictable? Some argue that AI driven NPCs can feel too robotic, lacking the creativity of human designed characters. And what about AI assisted matchmaking? Sometimes it leads to frustratingly unfair games. Not to mention, AI generated content could mean fewer jobs for game developers. Yet AI is also making gaming more immersive. Imagine AI powered game masters that adjust storylines based on your choices or NPCs that remember your actions across different playthroughs. Even voice AI can bring characters to life in new ways. So is AI ruining gaming or making it better? The answer lies in how it's used. With the right balance, AI can push gaming to incredible new heights. But if overused, it could strip away the heart of storytelling and creativity. What do you think? Is AI a game changer or a game ruiner? Let's discuss in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.